In this video guide, we'll give you instructions on how to get rid of the adware called RemoteView. RemoteView is the adware that attacks Mac devices. Based on my own observation, it mainly attacks Safari, even though other browsers may also be attacked and infected by it. RemoteView adware generates revenue for its developers by generating advertisements. Software that displays unwanted advertisements is called adware. It is uncommon for apps of this type to be downloaded and installed intentionally. Apps that users download and install unknowingly are called potentially unwanted applications. And RemoteView is not only the adware, it is also the potentially unwanted application. Usually, potentially unwanted applications are distributed through questionable channels, for instance, through fake installers. It is important to mention that RemoteView can read sensitive information. Also, it changes web browser settings to promote a fake search engine. In other words, it is also having the elements of browser hijacker. So if you are noticing that somehow RemoteView has infected your Mac device, you'd better get rid of it as soon as possible. So go to Finder, go to the Applications section, look for the RemoteView adware, so you'll find it here in this list. Right click on it and move it to the trash. If you cannot move it to the trash, you may click on Command Option and Escape hotkey. Then find this RemoteView adware as active in the list. Then force quit it. After that, right click on the adware and move it to the trash. If you look and find some other suspicious apps here in the list, remove them too. Now, I would also strongly advise that you carefully research your Mac device with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, and start examining your system with this tool to make sure it is free of any other hidden threats. So, after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan to begin the research of your Mac computer. There will be the detailed report at the end of scanning. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. In my case, it was in the premium mode, but you'll see a pretty similar picture with the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. The program gives you the report about threats found. You may go to the antivirus section, click on Review Results. So as you can clearly see, this is the list of all threats that were found during the scanning. How to get rid of these threats manually? Of course, you can see the location of specific threat, plus you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you the location of the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats and get rid of these threats manually. Or, of course, you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.